Today we're going to talk about apps that you can download on your phone and make money. Google Opinion Reward. This Google app, you're actually rating different things and mostly you're rating different ads, user feel. And as you might have guessed from its title, different websites will want you to go on their website and experience it and leave feedback. Fope, it's a great app for those people who like to take pictures. So basically you take pictures, you upload them and you can sell them to brands.
You can now make money on TikTok just by using specific sounds without the need to have a large following or being some type of influencer, and here's how. So the site is called Timebucks. It's one of those, get paid to do surveys and whatnot type sites, but they've recently introduced a new TikTok tab. So essentially, once you make your Timebucks account, you would just go to the TikTok tab and you would add your account. It's very quick, and then based on your followers and engagement rate, you could get paid a certain amount for using sounds in your TikToks. I mean, you could also do videos and whatnot, but that's just stealing content. So sound is what I like. And the payout isn't very high, I'm not going to lie to you guys, but hey, before you had no way of making money for using specific sounds, now you can. And also, you would think that there is no good songs, it's all tiny artists desperate, but no, there's some viral ones too, such as this. I'm not going to show too much of the song because of copyright, but that's the full 180 viral song. You could get money for that. Good luck.
The 9 best money-making apps of 2020. Ebates, Shopkick, Ibotta, Fope, Google Opinion Rewards, iPoll, Acorns, SlideJoy, Sweatcoin.
You see this right here? This is my Shopify store. Just today, $566. This month, $2,800. I don't own a product, I don't have a warehouse, I don't do anything, and I'm gonna show you guys. And in fact, I just made another sale. Let me show you guys exactly how I do this. I use Google Trends to find trending products. I then identify the trending product. Then I get on Overflow, find that product, and connect it and import it to my Shopify store. Lastly, I gotta drive traffic to make some sales. One of my favorite sources of traffic drivers are Pinterest. I use Pinterest to create posts just like this to drive traffic to my website. There are thousands and thousands of people searching for products every single day on Pinterest, and their ads are very inexpensive. Now it's your turn to make some money.
Guys, my inbox is flooded with DMs of people that want to learn how to do e-commerce and dropshipping. Stop wasting thousands of dollars on these fake-ass TikTok gurus. Let me show you how to get free training from legit people. Let's go. Go into Google and type Shopify free training. You'll find it right here, Shopify Academy. You have to have a Shopify account, but just set up a free trial and log in. Once you're logged in, scroll down and you'll see all the courses that are for free. Start with this one. This will teach you the basics of starting a dropshipping business. Once you guys get more advanced, look at Adrian Morrison's course on how to build a print-on-demand empire. This guy's legit. Once you get a bit more advanced, check out this guy, Ezra Firestone. He's one of the most legit in the game. I've done a lot of this man's courses, paid courses. He knows what he's talking about. Check him out. There it is, all the courses you need to get started. A lot of people don't want to do the work, but it's all free right there. Stop paying these fake gurus. Let's go.
Best work from home job for college students. It's called Print on Demand. First website you're going to check out is Cafe Press. Second website you're going to look at is Teespring. Lastly, you're going to check out Spreadshirt.com. It's so simple. Upload a design, set a price, and start selling. Go check my latest video on YouTube.
5 companies that'll pay you up to $40 an hour to test websites. Usertesting.com, userfield.com, Analysia.com, testingtime.com, and my favorite, trymyui.com.
I've got a brand new hack on how to earn even more than $600 in 3 hours. So I previously showed you how to use TextBroker to make $600 in 3 hours. We saw that when you write a 1,200 word article, you can get paid up to $600. But instead of writing, you're going to create a Google Doc, use tools, and then voice type. And since the average person speaks about 125 words per minute, you can easily do this in under 2 hours. Then I suggest using Grammarly to check all of your grammar. But here's the new hack. You're going to go to this site called onlinejobs.ph. Then you're going to go to Job Seekers and type in Content Writer. Now we're going to come over to Advanced Search. Under employment type, we want full-time, and then both technical and web content writing, we want at least 4 stars. Now I'm going to find somebody to hire. We can look for people between about 30 and 40 hours a week, and probably between about $400 and $600 a month that we pay them. Then we have them write on this site, and we make our money back fast. If you want to know my favorite way for making money online, $1,000 yesterday, 2.5 in the last 7 days, check my bio.
Let's look at some ways that you guys can make money online. First one is Rev. If you can type fast, this is a good job for you. They pay $1.25 per minute of transcription for captions and double or more for that for if you speak more than one language. Next one, VIP Kid. If you enjoy teaching, this is a good job where you can teach children in China English as their second language. This one pays a lot. I had a friend literally pay for a trip to Costa Rica with the extra money she was making from here. Next one is Appen. So they also have transcription jobs, but they also have like micro tasks where it's kind of similar to Amazon Mechanical Turk if you've ever used it, where it pays little amounts of money for small jobs, but it adds up really quickly. Go get that side hustle money.